Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL earphones with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to open the case and then remove left and the right earbud. And right now you have to, on the both earbuds, remove this part, separate, just like that. Don't let this part stick to this part. So you have to just keep it open on this both earbuds. I recommend you to hold it like that, for example. And now we have to locate the icon as it's located right here. That's the small indicator. And when it starts blinking like that, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to keep it like that. So we have to open the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. And here you have to select your JBL Endurance Peak 3. From the nearby devices, you have to click connect, and after a few seconds it will move to the My Devices. And as you can see, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.